If you want to like natto for all its amazing health benefits but can't get past the smell or the texture, I get it. I used to hate it too. So today I'm sharing 5 easy natto recipes that I developed specifically for natto haters, and my husband, who does not like natto, is going to rate each one of them. So let's see how well I did at making natto less natto-y. The first recipe I want to show you is this natto toast. It may sound odd, but it's one of the quickest ways to make natto taste milder and easier to eat in the morning. I like to mince the kimchi and natto so they spread nicely on the toast, but you can of course skip this if you like. Then I just put it back in the natto container to save on dishes, add mustard and ketchup, and mix everything up. Now let's make a sunny side up. In a small bowl, crack in the egg, add a little bit of water, and poke some holes on the yolk. Then microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds until it looks like this. After lightly toasting a piece of bread, tear nori into bite-sized pieces and place them on bread. Add canned tuna, spread the mixture on top, place the sunny side egg, and top with lots of cheese, and toast until golden. Drizzle some sesame oil before serving, and done. The kimchi, cheese, and ketchup really help mask natto's unique flavor and smell, and the nori has a nice oceany taste. But the question is, does all this actually help? I don't think you like this. What's the natto level?
4.
Oh, that's what I thought.
I can eat it, but I'm not the natto guy.
Thanks for trying. Yeah, he didn't love it, and honestly, for natto haters, this one might still be too natto-y. But if you're already kind of used to natto, this becomes a super fast and tasty breakfast. This next recipe actually reminds me of my childhood. We had a similar salad at school lunch and I loved it even though I didn't like natto at the time. Cut the cucumber into stripes, salt it, and squeeze out the moisture. Chop the cabbage and carrot. Microwave them and let them cool. Cut the ham into stripes. And mince the natto. In a big bowl, mix the dressing ingredients. Then add drained canned tuna and the veggies. Then combine everything well. That's it. The tuna has umami that helps mask the natto's bitterness, and the yogurt makes it creamy so the natto's stickiness doesn't stand out. Hopefully my husband will like it too. That's definitely not natto.
It's pretty good.
How many natto?
1 out of 5 natto.
本当に?
It's not overpowering.
You like it? Yay, he liked it. And because you don't heat the natto during the cooking process, you still get all the health benefits. Plus, it's packed with veggies and protein. Okay, this next one might surprise you, but if you want to enjoy natto without seeing the natto shapes, this dressing is perfect for you. It looks like Japanese sesame dressing, but with extra nutrition. To make this, you just need to add everything to a small blender and blend until smooth. You can use this for anything from salads, tofu, noodles, to veggies. Let's see what my husband thinks. どうぞ.
Pretty good. It's not too strong.
How much natto?
1.5 natto.
1.5? Whoopee? It was more natto-y than natto salad for him, but he still liked it, so that means I did well. So I hope you try this recipe as well and just use it like Japanese sesame dressing. Niku miso means meat sauce, and this version is super versatile and packed with fibers and protein. You can add it to rice bowls, salads, tofu, or wrap it in cabbage. Start by mincing the garlic, ginger, onion, shimeji mushrooms, and natto. Mix all the sauce ingredients in the small bowl and set it aside. Saute the onion. Then cook the minced natto with garlic and ginger until the thickness disappears. Add the meat and mushrooms, cook through. Then add the sauce and stir until most moisture is gone. That's it. Because it's mixed with stronger flavors like miso, meat, and mushrooms, and because we minced and cooked the natto, I think my husband won't notice that there's natto in it. So let's see if my theory is right.
Goop.
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 How natto is it?
2.5 out of 5 natto. I can taste the natto, but it's not overpowering.
I see. Yay! He noticed the natto and gave it 2.5 natto, but he's a huge natto hater. So when he says good, which means it was good, he liked it. So I'm really satisfied with this result. The next recipe is natto fried rice, and honestly, this one might be my favorite. Because we minced and cooked the natto, you barely notice it's there. And this freezes really well too. Start by mincing the onion and natto. Then cook the egg over medium heat just until they are mostly cooked so they stay soft. Take them out and set them aside. Add a little bit more sesame oil to the pan and saute the onion until it's soft. Then add the drained canned tuna, natto, and frozen vegetable mix and stir fry for about 5 minutes or until the moisture evaporates. Put in the rice and garlic paste. Mix everything well together. And add the other seasonings. After mixing well, put the egg back in the pan and mix everything together. Now we have delicious natto fried rice. Hopefully my husband likes it. Oh, the second bite?
Pretty good. 1 out of 10 natto 10. 1 out of 5 natto strength.
Oh, nice. That means you like it. If you want to say thank you to my husband for being my lab rat, please leave a comment or like the video. He loves seeing them. Once you get used to natto and feel ready to eat it for breakfast, check out this video next where I share realistic Japanese breakfast examples and tips for busy mornings. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!